lami kaya mong giluto oh, kanang pinakro Bicolana style.
Pinakers.
Andi
Adobo.
adobong talong. Thank you, Lord. Okay.
To our respected faculty and staff of Philippine School Bahrain, and to our devoted parents who are here, guardians, friends, visitors, and soon to be graduating students. A wonderful and blessed afternoon to all of you. It is an honor to speak on behalf of all parents today. Speaking not only for myself, but also for the mothers, fathers, and guardians who have walked alongside their children on this journey. They say it takes a village to raise a child. Today, that village is in front of us. It is made up of parents, teachers, friends, and each one playing an important role in shaping who our children are today. Let me begin by expressing my deepest thanks to the teachers and staff. I speak not only as a parent, but as an educator myself. I understand the weight you carry, the lesson plans, assessments, the countless papers to check, but beyond that, the silent responsibilities. The moment when you go beyond your role to be a second parent, this day is not only for parents, it is for you too. You don't just teach, you build lives. And now, as your students prepare to take their next step, you've guided, supported, and loved like your own is never easy. But please know this, that in fact, you made will save you for them for the rest of their lives. And that we say thank you and deeply and sincerely. To the Philippine School Bahrain, thank you for raising a competent and responsible individuals. I can speak from the experience, seeing these values reflected in my own children, who have grown with PSB over the years. My son Brian spent his formative years walking the halls of PSB. He left Bahrain carrying with him not just knowledge, but the four values that define this institution: competence, creativity, commitment, and compassion. Those values now live in his actions and how he treats others and in how he moves through the world. And today, I look at my daughter Brienne, so thoughtful, driven, and full of heart. And I know it is because of the home the Philippine School Bahrain has been to her. The place that teaches not just subject but life, not just excellence but empathy. To our dear soon-to-be graduates, congratulations. As graduation day nears, the culmination of all your hard work and effort draw near as well. Your sleepless nights, quizzes, challenging projects, and even tears finally lead to something beautiful. Speaking as a parent, I have seen up close the weight that comes from being a grade 12 student. I've seen my daughter Brienne working late at night, pouring her heart into every project, stressing over deadlines, yet still managing to show up every day with perseverance. I know this is just a single experience. Every student here has faced their own challenges. And all of you push through, that effort deserves to be recognized. But let me also say this, no matter how life takes you, your grades doesn't define you. They are part of your story, yes, but not as the whole story. What matters more is your heart, your kindness, your ability to treat others with respect. Because that, not your medals or your rank, is what will carry you through life. So thank you. Thank you for recognizing the hard work of your parents, not just through words, but through the efforts you've shown us today. To say I am proud would not even begin to describe how I truly feel. And to my fellow parents, the success of all our hard work and sacrifices is nearing. I see you, and I know the mothers who rise before the sun, preparing lunches and uniforms. I know the fathers who drop their children off at school, adjusting their schedules to have to be there, even for a quick goodbye. I see the single parents doing it all, juggling work at home and with the unbelievable strength. I see the parents who provide the work tirelessly, those who do anything it takes to make ends meet. Different families face different struggles in life, but still we show up. We endure. We keep going. Not for recognition, but for our children. This is what Gratitude Day is all about. Looking around and realizing that none of this was done alone. Behind every graduate is a village, a team, a family. And for every moment, every lesson, every silent act of love, we are grateful. So once again, from one father, one teacher, and one member of this PSB family, thank you. Thank you for shaping lives. Thank you for believing in the potential in every child. And to our graduates, soon to be, fly high, stay grounded, and never forget where you began. Above all, to God be the glory for every strength He gave us, for every answered prayer, for every door He opened. He gave thanks. May He continue to guide each of you as you step into the next chapter of your lives. Maraming salamat and congratulations, Philippine School, Berlin, Class of 2025.
Ako pa din pagawas. Thank you for my gift, Apo. You made me happy. You're at Gratitude Day. You're a surprise. Love you.
How about you, Pa? What did you get from Brian as a gratitude gift?
I bought it.
Riyan, nagkatag.
Gani! Gratitude gift from Brian, Gani. That's what I'm
Ayan yung
saying.
candy kanina. Yan lang di ay.
Dan, 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 dan,
Ay,
dan.
nakag-cute, ay.
Saka na pa. Guess
Saka
what's
na.
that? Guess what's that?
Hala, uy.
Kasi your old one is old.
Yan na pag-uwi.
Your old wallet is falling apart.
Yung wallet.
Ay.
Thank you, Bri.
Nasunod yan.
Napag-give prize.
Thank you, love.
So what did you get?
Let me see.
Wow.
Pero yan, nagsudlan nandi ay. Wala ako ah.
Wow, it's a perfume. Thank you, love. Ano, pag yung ano?
Kabutan akong ako eh.
Hey.
Yan ang tamag
Ay, kuya.
Happy eating, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito na.
Hi. We are here on Avenue
Ito na.
near the sea, the fountain.
Yan.
Okay. Tayo lang nag-count.
Nice fountain. Oh my god. What is she doing? What is she doing? Oh my god. What are they doing? Oh my god.
Binata ako.
Oh my god.
ito gaya ng ano. Malamig ko siya ano nga. Sakay. Sakit ng tiri.
Hindi ka nakaskilid oh. Pwede wala.
Dili pwede. Why not? Kita na sa pati.
Abutin ako, ayan. Tagaan sa kakando.
Sige, once. Gibidyo rati ka. Gibidyo rati ka. Asa day ka? Dali. Asa day ka? Ha? Sige ma. Paunahon ta na niya ma. Brie. Narinig. Brie. What you have? Another. Yeah. There.
Ito, malingkot ta.
Go there.